Review and accept the terms of service. Read through the terms of service and privacy policy. Then click on the checkbox to indicate that you agree to them. Complete the setup process. Complete any additional steps that Gmail may ask you to perform, such as verifying your phone number through a text message or setting up account recovery options. Welcome to Gmail. Once you have completed the setup process, you will be directed to your Gmail inbox. You can now start sending and receiving emails. Remember to keep your account secure by regularly updating your password, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious of suspicious emails or phishing attempts.